Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through this fault code here, 4AFA brake vacuum sensor. Now you may get like brake warning signs on there, I don't know, traction control, whatnot. So the sensor is not expensive. It is I wouldn't say it's the easiest thing to change. It is a bit tricky. You have to have good handy hands, shall we say. It is located here on this BMW. This is a 3 Series. The 1 Series, you'll have the same whether it's coupe or normal hatchback. 3 Series, whether it's saloon or coupe. So it is literally located there. That's the sensor there, as you can see. If I can get it up. It is a tricky one. There it is. You can get it online. eBay is your best bet in this case. Get it online, get it original. It's just a case of plug and play, really, and that should hopefully cure it.